Hey guys, it's Miss Moore. I am making this video for my fourth grade students so that I can help you with math. Today, I'm going to be helping you learn how to multiply fractions. Now, we already know how to multiply. We can multiply 3 times 2 is 6, or 4 times 3 is 12, or 5 times 5 is 25. So we already know how to multiply. But sometimes we have to multiply using fractions. So if you look up here, we have 3 times 2/3. 3 is my whole number. It equals 3 over 1 because 1 is 1 whole and there are 3 wholes. 3 wholes times 2/3, which is my fraction. I'm going to draw a picture. 2 different ways to draw a picture for this. If you see here, I have 1, 2, 3 holes. Each hole is separated into 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. So first, I am going to take 2/3 and multiply them 3 times. If you remember, multiplication is like repeated addition. So that's like saying 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. Why are there 3 of them? Because I'm multiplying times 3. So I'm going to make 2/3 and 2/3 and 2/3 because it's like I'm adding them together. So in my first box, I'm going to color in 2/3. There's 2/3. In my next box, I'm going to color in another 2/3. And in my last box, how many do I color? 2/3 again. So this is 2/3, this is 2/3, and this is 2/3. So it's just like I'm adding them repeatedly, repeated addition. 3 times 2/3. 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. Another way I can do it is I'm going to do it over here. I'm still going to color in 2/3, but this time I'm going to combine them into the same box. So first, I'm going to color in 2/3. 1, 2. But now, for my next 2/3, I'm going to keep going. I still have an empty space here, so I'm going to use that one as part of my 2/3. I'm still going to color in 2 more boxes because I'm coloring in 2/3. 1, 2. I had to go to the next square, rectangle. So I have 2/3 still, but I'm combining them together now, okay? And I have to do one more third. So I'm going to color in 1, 2, 2 more thirds. Will you look at that? Now I have, how many holes do I have? This one is all the way colored in, so that's 1 hole. This one is all the way colored in, so that's 1 hole. So how many holes do I have altogether? 2. 2 holes. So let's come down here and solve it. I've drawn my 2 pictures so I can see what 3 times 2/3 looks like. Now I'm going to solve it. Remember, multiplication is like repeated addition. So let's try the repeated addition first. So when I add fractions, I only add the top numbers. I do not change the bottom numbers. I do not add 3 plus 3 plus 3. Nope, only the top numbers. The bottom numbers stay the same. Always remember that. The bottom numbers stay the same. So this equals 3 on the bottom. But now I need to add the top numbers. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 4, 6. Yes, 6. 6/3 would be the answer. Now, over here, I have 3 times 2/3. This is another way to do the same thing. Another way to do the same thing. This matches this because this is really the problem that I see. I see 3 times 2/3. So let's try it this way. When I multiply 3 times 2/3, remember, the bottom number does not change. So I'm not going to multiply times the bottom number. I am only multiplying times the top number. The bottom number does what? Stays the same. So put 3 on the bottom because 3 is on the bottom over here. Now I have 3 times 2. What's 3 times 2? Yes, 6. Look, it's the same answer. But now, up here, I noticed that I had 2 holes as my answer. Well, what is 3 times 2? 6. So if I said 6 divided by 3, which is the same thing as this, 6 divided by 3 equals 2 holes. So my answer is really 2. 2 holes is my answer. Okay, let's try a couple more because when we're finished, you're going to have to do the problems at the bottom of the paper that this video is attached to. So this one says 5 times 1/6. So remember, I'm only going to multiply by the top number. The bottom number does what? Stays the same. So 6 goes on the bottom because it stays the same. So now I'm going to multiply 5 times 1. What's 5 times 1? 5. My answer is 5/6. And I don't have to change that to a whole number like this one because 5 is smaller than 6. 5 is smaller than 6. So that means that I can't change it to a whole number because this is a proper fraction. Over here, 6/2, 6 is bigger than 3. So that's not a proper fraction. It's called improper because the bigger number is on top. So that's how I know that I have to change it to the whole number. All right, let's try this one. 10 times 2/5. All right, what number stays the same? The number on the bottom. So 5 stays the same. I'm going to multiply 10 times 2. 10 times 2. Let me think. I can count by tens. So count with me. 10, 20. So 20/5 is my answer. Now, here's that fraction that doesn't look right because the bigger number's on top. So I do need to change it. What is 20 divided by 5? 5 times what equals 20? 5, 10, 15, 20. How many? 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. So my answer is 4. My whole number is 4. Okay, guys, if you still are a little bit confused, go back to the beginning of this video and watch it one more time. please feel free to send me a message on Google Classroom. And we will also be meeting every Wednesday during a virtual class meeting so that we can talk about things that you're confused about. When you finish this video on the page that you clicked the video link, go back to it, and I want you to try the 5 fraction multiplying problems and then turn them back into me, and I'm going to grade them for you, okay? I enjoyed this video. I hope you did too. I can't wait to see your answers. Bye-bye.